Welcome to my home. I'm going on a trip to Austria, and we're gonna be shooting the process of a G-Wagon for work. Should be a little interesting. I've never been to Austria before. That reminds me, I should check the weather. Okay, no, Austria is different from Hungary, but
my gosh.
favorite pair of pants at the moment is probably Dickies. I'm just a t-shirt kind of guy, you know, so I don't really think about it too much, to be honest. I just like to be comfortable, especially when I'm traveling for work. Hey. Check these. These are some vintage Calvin Kleins that I bought from ASOS Marketplace. I've never packed with packing cubes before, so it seems pretty interesting. I usually like to roll up my clothes regardless to save up a lot of space. To be honest, organization is really just to save space. If I don't have to be organized, I don't know if I would, to be honest. We're invited out there by Mercedes because they want us to film their G-Wagon, like the process of making the G-Wagon, which is low-key my dream car, and I know I'm not alone there, but I've always wanted one, and to be able to film to see how it's made is actually really, really cool. So it's always important to be packing a good toiletry bag. Some key tips is like, I always like to do sample packets, especially from Aesop. I'm always stealing from hotels. It's just lotions, shampoo, and soap. One trick is I always pack matches because I'm always sharing bathrooms with people and you gotta take a shit. So you don't want that shit smelling, so you gotta light a match, and it's like it never happened. When it comes to bringing shoes, especially because I'm on shoots, it's always kind of white and black, very comfortable. Chucks are my go-to. I travel everywhere with those. These are Slam Jam Blazers that I recently bought like a few months ago. And then I'll bring Docs in case we're gonna go somewhere nice and I need to kind of dress up a little bit, and Docs are pretty much versatile for that. Shake. Oh, good boy. I'm late as always, so you gotta go, I gotta go. Bye. You know how you spell Austria?
Yeah.